Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we see how to import the files and data in Oracle SQL Developer. So open the Oracle SQL Developer and connect them with your working schema. Right-click on the table field and choose the Import option. New Data Import Wizard window is open. Then in Data Preview, choose the local file as the source. Go to the Browse option and choose your file. Here I choose an XLSX file, and click the OK button. In File Format, make the changes according to your requirements, then click the Next button. In the Import method, give the name to your file. Now in the Choose Columns tab, select the columns that you want from your source file. Here I choose all columns from my source file. In Column Definition tab, check your data types, size. You can change column name also. Then click on Finish button. Your data is imported successfully. Go to Table field and expand the tab. Then click on your table and check the data.